Well, you can tell by the way I use my walk. I'm a woman's man. No time to talk. Music loud.
Good morning, sir. I'm sorry I'm late.
Okay, you are the
Intan po.
Miss Intan, this is the first day of our class. Late ka sa first day of our class? Okay, mamaya mag-uusap tayo. You can have your seat. Bakit ka kasi na-late?
Alam mo, nainis ko, sir. Kasi naman yan, pinalita ko. Pinagalitan niya ako. Pinahiyan niya ako sa mga ng tao. Ganito kasi, nalis ako kasi kayo ng umaga. Ako ang nagbabala sa mama ko. So parang ang sakit lang sa akin na pagalitan niya ako sa kayak ng maraming tao. Nakakainis siya.
Ganito yan, kung may concern ka sa teacher, huwag mo sabihin sa amin. Lapit ka directly kay sir. Kausapin mo siya para magkaintindihan kayo. Miss Intan.
Nais ko lang yung tawad sa pagkakulit na pagdating ko. Nandun ko kasi yan, sa akin. Kailangan ko siya kalagaan. And even the English talaga nanin ko palit na.
Okay, Miss Intan. Valid naman yung reason mo. Pero sa susunod, maghanda ka na maaga. Alam mo naman. Sige, back.
Sir,
Our lesson for today, class dismissed.
good morning everyone. Good morning everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, so my name is Krista Maypalan. I'll be your professor in understanding yourself. So I'm not gonna be here in your class today because I have to be in the office, but I'm gonna give you the activity that you're going to present next day. So just please group yourself. But before that, I want to formally introduce myself. My name is Krista Maypalan. I'll be your teacher in this class. So have a pleasant morning. Please do your activity. Just put yourself in the class. Thank you. Okay.
Guys, sige, inside question na tingin ang convenience and routine natin. Thinking mo to, okay, pag PowerPoint presentation, para mas easy ang presentation ng mga
Okay rin naman kung mag-infographic sa lang tayo. Mas less ng material sa kadali. Saka madali sa iba.
Okay. Ayan, so since meron kami dalawang options, mag-go sa lang tayo kung hindi yung matukanan. Okay, so hindi yung goal ng presentation. So for the infographic, tato kami sa tatlong majority winning. So mag-infographic tayo. Ayun, mahanap. Okay lang yun.
Kilala niyo ba yun? Parang medyo may attitude ba?
Si Jillian, hindi magalan talaga siya mag-approach sa tao ka basta-basta manggal.
Hindi naman. Saka na-observe ko lang na medyo may attitude.
Hindi, hindi, akala lang namin na, akala nyo lang na ano siya, mandito siya, pero hindi okay na talaga siya. Kung talaga, galit nung pagkakakilala namin kay Jillian, ganun talaga siya.
Nakita mo yun ba?
Oo, nakita ko na. Hindi, akala nyo lang talaga, pero mabait talaga siya. Doon hindi sana siya sa ilang sa okay. Baka na naman bago lang siya kasi first day pa lang naman. Okay.
Ano nga sana kung magalit ka ba sa amin kasi na-decline yung request ng PPT na lapay? Ang talaga mas kanina eh.
Hindi naman. Nag-suggest lang ako ng parang mas maintindihan ng mga classmates natin. Pero okay lang din naman sa akin yung infographic. Yeah, okay.
Okay, sige.
Sabi ko sa inyo eh, hindi ka si Jillian. Ganun na kita mag-approach sa tao.
Okay, sorry kung ano.
And we can start something about me.
Communication plays a crucial role in our daily lives, especially in school settings. The video presented the barriers that arise in school settings. In scene 1, Crystal was late for class and got scolded by her teacher in front of her classmates. Feeling embarrassed, Crystal vented to her classmate about the incident instead of talking directly to the teacher. Her classmate advised her to communicate directly with the teacher to clear up any misunderstandings. Crystal took the advice and explained her reasons to the teacher. In Scene 2, students were assigned a group task. During the discussion, disagreements arose about the presentation medium. Ghislaine suggested a PowerPoint, while Rouge proposed an infographic. Citing time constraints, they decided to go with the majority's choice, which turned out to be the infographic. However, when Ghislaine left the room, Rouge made a comment about Ghislaine being sassy. When Ghislaine returned, Rouge confronted her, but Ghislaine clarified her intentions, and Rouge apologized. Both scenes illustrate the perception barrier in communication, where misunderstandings can arise from different interpretations of words or actions. Effective communication helps resolve these issues.